If you're working a job right now, I want you to shift your mindset. Your salary is not just for paying bills. It's your first investor. It's the fuel for your dreams. The question is, are you using it to build your future, or are you just surviving? Too many people work their entire lives just to stay stuck in the cycle, earning, spending, repeating. But the real game, it's using that paycheck to create something bigger, something that can eventually free you. Use your salary to fund your business until your business can fund your freedom. That means being strategic. Instead of spending on things that bring short-term satisfaction, invest in something that will bring long-term wealth. Buy equipment, take courses, build your brand, market your skills, whatever it takes to get your business off the ground. It won't be easy. It will take sacrifice. You might have to skip the vacations, the luxury purchases, the nights out. But temporary sacrifice leads to permanent freedom. Would you rather struggle for a few years building your dream, or work 40 years building someone else's? Every dollar you invest in your business is a step toward never needing a paycheck again. Imagine waking up one day knowing your business pays for your lifestyle, your bills, your dreams. Imagine calling the shots, living life on your terms. That's what financial freedom looks like. So don't waste your salary. Use it as a stepping stone. Work your job, but build your empire. Hustle now, sacrifice now, invest now, so one day you never have to trade time for money again. Your business is your way out. Fund it now so it can fund your freedom later. Let's get to work.